Hey guys, here's what we're dealing with today. We have two Samsung Ultra. This is the S22 Ultra, S24 Ultra. Here's my dilemma. Ever since I purchased this S24, some of my apps don't work. And one of the apps that I really need is the Qsee View camera app, which allows me to look at my cameras. This is it right here. As you can see, it shows me all my cameras, which is great. Actually, right now I'm gonna refresh it. And it's been working great. But on this phone, I can't get this app installed. It does not work because this phone basically doesn't run any old apps that are 32 bits. And this app is 32 bits. So in that case, the replacement is dvrs, which all you have to do is install it. Once you install it, you want to hit the plus here in the top and you want to scan, right? So here's what I did. I went to my DVR, and on my DVR, I'm going to show you guys really quick. I just go to main menu, and I'm not going to show you my code, but okay, I'm in, and then I'll go to here where it says QR code. Look at that. That's the QR code you need. You scan it, and then you put your username and password. That's it. And then you got your device. And actually, I love it better than the old app, right? Because this works great, and it seems to be really good quality, and it's up to date. You know what I mean? My old app, I couldn't get an update, right? It was running the latest version, and that was it. So this, you get updates from the company, and it's supported. So for any of you out there having this same issue, this is the app that I suggest. You just go to App Store, and once you're in App Store, you want to download the DMSS. If you need the iPad version, you could go to the one that says HD. But otherwise, for your regular phone, this is the one that will do it. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.